So it's day 31 of the government shutdown. I haven't been at work for 31 days. I haven't received a paycheck since October the 10th. You know, it's hard. It's tough for federal employees right now to not get a paycheck when we could be working and earning a living and serving the American people. But the Republicans, and Mike Johnson especially, they don't want that. Speaker Johnson hasn't held a session of Congress since September 19th. He sent all his Republican colleagues home. And guess what, folks? They're all getting paid. They all keep getting a paycheck. They've been on vacation for 6 weeks now, and they've been paid by us, the American taxpayer. It's not right. He should have called them back weeks ago, before the government shutdown, where they could have debated and extended the ACA subsidies and made sure the SNAP program's not going to go bankrupt starting tomorrow. Folks here in North Carolina and around the country, 42 million people, won't have any money to buy food. The U.S. Department of Agriculture needs to release that $6 billion to the states so they can put that money on the EBT cards of these folks that are recipients of SNAP. Otherwise, it's going to be a rough month for these folks. You know, Donald Trump said he was going to make America great again. Well, I don't know what great is when he won't even feed the population, his own population. And people are going to be hungry. And a large portion of that 42 million are young children. I can't think of anything more cruel and vile. That's on top of the other things he's doing. You know, jet setting on his vanity tour in Asia while the government shut down. Shut down. Federal employees haven't been at work. Over 750,000 federal employees haven't been on the job since October 1st. While this president is on his big vanity tour, crisscrossing Asia from Japan down to China and Malaysia, trying to get deals for himself and his family. Donald Trump and this administration are for themselves and the billionaires, and don't let them fool you like they're helping the American people, because they're not. Sending the National Guard to American cities when there's no crisis, letting people starve to death, not extending health care for people that need it. And if they don't, come January 1st, the ACA, aka Obamacare subsidies in some cases are going to quadruple. In most cases, they're going to double. But some places like Wheeling, West Virginia, those families are going to be paying around $4,000 a month for health care. That's not affordable. And they're right. The system's broken. But the Republicans aren't offering any solution to make it cheaper, because they don't want health care for anyone. They don't want it. They don't care. They got plenty of money for health care. So folks, wake up, man. We got to save our country. We got to. It's getting bad. And it's going to get worse, I'm afraid, before it gets better. So get out, make your voices heard, raise some hell before it's too late.